Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. For those of you trying to get a debt consolidation loan and you have high debt to income ratio and you have bad credit, I'm going to tell you 5 things that actually you need to look at. All right. I'm going to tell you the lenders. I got 10 lenders I'm going to tell you about, and I explain to you why. Now, here's the thing about it. I'm out here in Vegas. My wife, she had a long week, so she decided she wanted to go to Vegas. So we out here in Vegas. The only thing that sucks about it, I wanted to shoot this video out here, but because there's music out here, and so I don't want to get copyrighted by YouTube, I'll have to shoot it inside the hotel room. So for you guys, I hope you're okay with that. Now, here's the 5 things that you need to look for when you're trying to get a high debt to income ratio loan, a debt consolidation loan. All right. Now, first thing is that you want to look for ones that have a low credit score. All right. If you have a low credit score, I'm going to tell you these lenders. Number 2, you also want to look for ones that offer low interest rate. I'm talking about interest rates that is not in the triple digits. All right. Then number 3, you want to look for ones that give you high debt to income ratio favor. Okay, so that means that your debt to income ratio is over that 55%. Okay, then you want to look for loans that they're going to tell you that the average age of the credit file has to be between a year up to 3 years. Okay, so that's the reason I'm going to be breaking these down. And then the last thing you need to know is that they're going to do a soft pull. Okay. So that way you don't inquire that hard pull. All right. Now, here's the thing about it. The first one, we're talking about upgrade. So with upgrade, 580 credit score meets our criteria. The interest rate starts at 7.99 up to 35.99. Then the DTI is 75%. So your credit file has to be at least 2 years old. And yes, you can do a soft pull to see if you're pre-qualified. Now, I'm going to explain in terms of when they're doing a soft pull, how they're actually going to check the credit as well. Now, the next one is Upstart, okay? And so with Upstart, you don't even have to have a credit score. The interest rate starts at 6.7. The debt to income ratio is 75%. You have to have at least 1 year. And yes, it is a soft pull on that one. All right. Then the next one is Avant. Okay. So with Avant, they say you can work with a 550 credit score. All right. The interest rate starts at 9.95. The debt to income ratio is up to 75%, 1 year old, and a soft pull. Now, let me stop for a minute because I want to actually say something. All right. For these type of lenders, all right, now with Avant being the exception, Avant like to work with you if the minimum income is at least $1,200 a month, right? So you're looking at about $25,000 annually. But the rest of these lenders, I would tell you the key, you want to have at least $45,000 or more, okay, annually. So that's the reason why people apply for these other loans and stuff and they get denied. That's because you may not meet that income ratio that they're actually looking at. Now, here's something else before we go to those other loans that you also need to be aware of. When they're doing the soft pull, they're going to use third-party credit bureaus, okay? So they're going to look at like LexisNexis. They're going to look at Clarity, which is owned by Experian, Factor Trust, which is owned by TransUnion, DataX, okay, which is owned by Equifax and Teletrack. So they're going to look at those type of lenders and stuff like that. Now, again, guys, I wish I was able to shoot content outside, but because there's music, it kind of distracts the video. And like I said, I don't want to have no issues with YouTube. Now, the next lender is Best Egg, okay? So with Best Egg, you need a 600 credit score. Interest rate starts at 7.9, 70% debt to income ratio, and you need at least 3 years on the credit file, and yes, it's a soft pull. Now, here's the thing about it with Best Egg. If you have a car with equity in it, if you have a paid off car with equity in it, they will actually give you a loan off of the car as well. So that's one of the good things about Best Egg. They will actually give you an equity car loan. All right. Now, the next lender we're talking about is Universal Credit. Okay. And so with Universal Credit, 580 credit score, 11.69, 75% debt to income ratio, 2 years on the credit file, and yes, soft pull. Now, here's another thing that you all need to, if you need to age your file, then if you're paying rent and stuff, you can use companies like Rent Reporter, okay? And so Rent Reporter will help you age your credit file because they actually will put as your opening date the date the year you actually started paying rent. So if you had been paying rent for 3 years, then they would go back 3 years saying that's your opening date. So that's a good thing to know. Also, adding in authorized users. Now, that's another good thing about these lenders. They will accept you if you have like an authorized user, and which different types of authorized users you would need in order to help you age your file, because all authorized users are not the same. Okay, so if you need help with that, just type in authorized user, and I'll send you over a link to schedule one-on-one for that. And I'll tell you what exactly it is that you're looking for with authorized users to make sure it works for you. All right. Now, here's another thing you need to understand. With Universal Credit, yes, they are associated with Upstart Lending. Now, Upstart Lending, again, I'm going to go into a full review about each of these lenders, but one of the things you have to understand, they definitely use LexisNexis. Now, for you guys that when you put in your application, and if it comes back denied, it may not have nothing to do with the credit score, all right? That's something you have to understand. It may not have nothing to do with the credit score. What's probably going on is that the address, okay, on that credit application is not matching the address with the credit bureaus because you may have moved around. AI may have detected one address from another and mixed up your file. So sometimes it may just be an address error, or you may have your credit file locked. If you have your credit file locked, guess what? They will deny you. All right. So that's something you have to keep in mind, especially when you're trying to get loans like $50,000. All right. Most of these loans start at $1,000 up to $50,000. Okay. So you have to make sure that the information that you're putting on the application is accurate. Now, that being said, another lender is Achieve. Okay. So with Achieve, it's even on their website, a 620 credit score, 8.9 interest rate, 70% debt to income ratio. The credit file has to be at least 3 years old. All right. So just keep that in mind. And yes, it is a soft pull. Now, I want to switch it up because one of these lenders, this here, is a direct lender. However, they have more flexibility, and it's Max Personal Loans. Okay. Now, Max Personal Loan, yes, it's a direct lender. However, it is a tribal lender. Okay. And so with tribal lenders, they have more flexibility to help you qualify when you have bad credit. Okay. And now also keep in mind with some of these lenders, they're not in all 50 states. All right. They're not in all 50 states. I was trying to see if the trend was coming back by. But that being said, not in all 50 states, but also in terms of 580 credit score, 6.63 interest rate, 75% debt to income ratio. Your file only has to be 1 year old. All right. And then, yes, you can pre-qualify with them as well. All right. Now, you also have Zippy Loan. Now, Zippy Loan does not go up to $50,000. Zippy Loans goes up to $15,000. However, the thing about it with Zippy Loan, it is a platform. The other ones are direct lenders. All right. Zippy Loan is a platform. Okay. So that means they work with direct lenders, tribal lenders as well. Okay. So you may have a higher chance of approval. Now, here's the thing about it with Zippy Loan. 580 credit score. The interest rate is 12%. DTI is 70%, okay? Have 1 year credit history, all right? And it's a soft pull, okay? Now, again, with platforms and stuff like that, because they have multiple lenders and stuff, they definitely are going to check the third-party credit bureaus in order to help you. Now, here's another one, net credit. Okay, many of you all hear me talk about net credit. One of the things about net credit that many of you don't know is in terms of because they have a high debt to income ratio as well. 580 credit score, interest rate starts at 34%. So the interest rate is definitely going to be much higher. Okay, then 70% debt to income ratio, 1 year credit file, and yes, you can do a pre-approval. Now, here's the interesting thing about net credit that most people are not aware of. They also offer that line of credit up to $4,500. And I always tell people, whenever they offer lines of credit, you can see what I mean about that trend. Sorry about that. It's going on by, but as you can see, this is the Hilton Grand. We're at the signature, but you can see, what is that? The spear is over there. The Lynx is over there. That's that big merry-go-round. All right. You can see Planet Hollywood from where we are. We're on the 3rd floor. Then you got Park MGM. We're right next to MGM Grand. So, and then you got the Polo Towers. All right. Now, here's the thing about it that I like staying where I'm at. However, if you stay like in the Polo Towers, then their swimming pools usually do not close, as well as the Jockey Club and some of like the Hilton Grand. Usually their swimming pools close at around, their swimming pools usually close around 8 or 10 o'clock, where I'm here at the signature, the swimming pools close at 6 o'clock. All right. So again, that's something my wife ain't too happy about or whatever, but hey, you can't win them all. I thought I was doing a good thing. Anyway, then you have the Aria over there, and the Aria over there, you can actually get a room that's overlooking the Bellagio. Okay, so that being said, going back to what I was saying about net credit, is that with the net credit, you have that line of credit for $4,500. The line of credit is always better. And again, I continue to tell you this because with that $4,500 line of credit, at least you're not being charged for the whole thing. They only charge you for what you actually use. Now, with the personal loans and stuff like that, they're charging you interest on the whole thing. All right. So that's something that you all have to take into consideration. All right. So for those of you that may have questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, removing negative items off of the credit. Now, here's something. I like these hotel rooms because you get the jacuzzi tubs with them. So that's one thing my wife's happy about, because we always get the jacuzzi tubs and stuff. Then plus, you also get the full kitchen. So I like being able to have the full kitchen and stuff. Granted that most of the time we're going to be eating out at restaurants and things like that, so we don't use the full kitchen. But again, it has enough room to where you're comfortable. You're not just sitting there guessing, wondering, and things of that nature. All right. So again, for those of you that may have questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, removing negative items off the credit, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.